my name's Adrienne. Welcome to my channel. I make food related content here on YouTube. If you guys need some dinner ideas and dinner motivation to cook for your family more, hit that subscribe button. I got you covered. Today, my friend Valerie at Life of Valerie Rose and I are hosting an open collab all about copycat recipes. So when you're done watching my video, be sure to check out Valerie's channel and the playlist that will be linked down below. I have 3 delicious recipes for you this video, and I'm starting out with my guacamole egg rolls. I love a good egg roll when I go to a restaurant, and I found that they are really easy to make at home. I am making this even simpler by using leftovers from El Pollo Loco. I've got some beans and rice and some store-bought guacamole. I fill my wonton wrappers, which you can find in your grocery store, and I cook them in my air fryer at 350 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want to overfill these. A teaspoon of filling is just enough, and these are delicious, quick, great for a party, and you can even freeze them, and I bet you guys will really like them. My next recipe is a tostada bowl. I love getting a tostada when I go to a Mexican restaurant. Here's a look at the ingredients that I will be using. This is a great recipe because you can really customize it to what you have in your pantry and what your family prefers. I'm using chicken. I'm seasoning it up with some all-purpose seasoning, pepper, and some chili powder. And then I'm going to heat up some olive oil in a cast iron skillet and cook my chicken until it's nice and golden brown and cooked all the way through, and then I will remove the chicken to a plate. I have cut some corn off the cob and thinly diced a red onion that I had and I wanted to use up. And then I'm taking this can of Rotel, which is a little bit spicy and it's got great flavor, and especially when you cook it in a little bit of chicken drippings, that is really, really tasty. My husband really liked it. I kind of made this up on the spot, but I will definitely like it again. Here's a look at our finished product. We have the Tostado Bowls that I cooked according to package direction, some boxed rice, refried beans, cheese for my husband, and lots of lettuce. I used a cilantro creamy dressing, and this was out of this world so good. My last recipe for you is chicken marsala. Here is a look at all of my ingredients. You will need some mushrooms, chicken breast, heavy cream, flour, some marsala wine, garlic, butter, and this is so delicious. I love ordering a chicken marsala in an Italian restaurant, and I was really excited to try and make this at home. Marsala wine is not easy to find, so I've never made this before, but it was really easy to put together. Let me show you how I do it. I season up my chicken with seasoning that my family prefers, and then I dredge it in a little bit of flour, and then I get my cast iron skillet and I add a little olive oil and I brown it on both sides. I keep my chicken warm in the oven while I make the sauce, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. What makes a Marsala sauce so incredibly delicious and decadent, it's got a ton of butter and heavy cream. I am going to cook down my mushrooms until they are nice and golden brown after I zhuzh them in some butter, and then I will add a heaping tablespoon of garlic, 3/4 of a cup of Marsala wine, and then 1/2 cup of heavy cream. I will bring that to a boil, a gentle simmer actually, and then I will place my chicken back in that delicious sauce, and I served it over a bed of mashed potatoes with some steamed green beans, and this was so good. This is something that you could serve to company, and it would be a real showstopper. I want to say thank you to Valerie for hosting with me, and be sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist linked down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.